Hey guys, it's Mila at WTI. Are you looking for a butter container that's super adorable and yet very functional? I might just have that perfect product for you. This butter container is so convenient, it just sits on top of the counter, which means that you don't have to refrigerate your butter if you don't want to, but yet it's still contained in a very airtight container. And I love that because I love spreading my butter at room temperature. The best feature by far is going to be the knife that comes with it and just sits on top. So when I have guests that come to my house and they want to toast their bread in the morning with their coffee, but all they need and want is a simple butter knife, they don't have to go looking through drawers and pulling things out and being afraid that they're going to open the wrong drawer. It's obvious where the butter knife is in this case scenario. And obviously, if you have white counters or white cabinets like I do here, it matches perfectly. It's super cute, super functional, and I love it so much. That's my point of view.